Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna unbox a $25 Apple Watch Series 4 I got on eBay. So let's get into it. So this is a Series 4 44mm stainless steel. I got a pretty good deal actually. So I'm gonna have it unboxing out and let's see how good condition it is. So one thing does come with a charger, which I didn't know because the seller didn't mention it, but okay, that's good. And it looks like it's a stainless steel charger too, so that's pretty cool. I don't have this one, so I'm gonna keep it for myself to use it. So let's wrap this up and take a look at the watch. It doesn't come with a band, so I have to go buy one myself, which is kind of expensive for a 44mm models because I want a sport loop one. It feels better than my own sport band. And let's turn it on. So it is turning on, so that's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up, and I'll go ahead and post a picture on this thing. And this is also a seller model too, so that's great. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, so quick update. So this is the watch after I fully set up. It actually took me a 4 day setup because the seller forgot the iCloud password, so they have to go and reset or whatever they're doing. But they finally managed to get unlocked, so that's great news. And I'm gonna go ahead and sell this thing to someone else. So thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.